Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session. I'm excited to guide you through SAT Practice Test 1, specifically focusing on Section 1, which covers reading and writing. This will be the easy module, questions 1 through 6. Over the next few minutes, we'll review some key strategies and practice questions to help you prepare effectively. Let's get started. Let's take a look at how aviation evolved from experimental flights to commercialized travel. The Wright brothers' determination was truly a driving force behind this progress. Their pioneering efforts paved the way for the entire industry. When we think about their impact, it's important to recognize how groundbreaking their work was at the time. Now, in this context, the question is, as the first two people to build a functioning plane, Orville and Wilbur Wright had an impact on the aviation field. The options are questionable, complicated, moderate, or powerful. Given their role in creating the first successful powered flight, the correct answer is that they had a powerful impact. Their innovations didn't just advance aviation, they transformed how humans think about travel and technology. Their perseverance and ingenuity set the foundation for everything that followed. So their work was truly a powerful catalyst, moving us from early experiments to the bustling commercial aviation industry we rely on today. The Wright brothers are credited with building the first functioning airplane, which was a huge milestone in aviation history. Their innovative work didn't just stop there. It paved the way for what we now call commercialized flights. This means that their breakthroughs made it possible for people to travel long distances quickly and efficiently by plane. The word powerful really captures the impact of their achievements, because their pioneering efforts transformed the way we connect across the world. This progress highlights how one groundbreaking invention can have a profound and lasting influence on society. Let's take a closer look at Percy Julian's journey. His questions about his fields of interest, chemistry and entrepreneurship, really fueled his progress. It wasn't just curiosity, it was a drive to understand and innovate. His dedication to these areas led him to develop groundbreaking methods that changed the landscape of medicine. In fact, Julian's work in chemistry directly contributed to the creation of life-saving medications. This slide highlights how his relentless pursuit of knowledge and commitment to his passions had a profound impact, illustrating the importance of perseverance and focus in achieving significant breakthroughs. So here, we see that Julian's genuine interest in his fields really drove him to develop groundbreaking methods. This shows his passion and curiosity pushing him to innovate. Additionally, his dedication didn't stop there. It led to the establishment of a successful company, which is a clear sign of his commitment and perseverance. Overall, this slide highlights how a strong dedication to one's interests and work can lead to remarkable achievements. This idea ties into our broader theme of how passion and commitment are essential for success. Discovering prehistoric bones is undoubtedly essential for understanding Earth's history, but it's also quite challenging. One of the main difficulties we face is the lack of sufficient data and funding. Without enough resources, it can be tough to carry out the necessary excavations and research. However, paleontologists like Mary Anning have shown us that perseverance is key. She and her team were able to demonstrate resilience and ingenuity in overcoming these obstacles. Through their hard work and dedication, they managed to analyze the fossils carefully and push through the limitations. Ultimately, their efforts paid off. After many years of persistence, they made a groundbreaking discovery, the first complete plesiosaur. This achievement highlights how determination, combined with proper support and resources, can lead to remarkable breakthroughs in paleontology. This story emphasizes the importance of securing adequate funding and data to unlock the secrets of our prehistoric past. It's a reminder that behind every significant discovery, there's often a story of overcoming obstacles through teamwork and perseverance. So, in this slide, we're highlighting that the process Anning and her team undertook was definitely challenging. But what's really inspiring is that despite these difficulties, they managed to achieve a groundbreaking discovery. This shows that their hard work paid off. When we talk about overcoming obstacles like this, the word that best captures their success is conquer. It emphasizes that they didn't just face the challenges, they overcame them completely. This part of the story really underscores the importance of perseverance and determination in scientific breakthroughs. According to American microbiologist Jonas Salk, the appropriate approach to medicine is to take advantage of the processes through which the body itself. Now, looking at the options here, outgrows, establishes, rehabilitates, or dismantles, what do you think fits best? The key idea Salk emphasized is that we should support the body's own processes to fight disease. Instead of trying to destroy or dismantle these natural defenses, we should focus on nurturing and strengthening them. For example, when the body outgrows a disease, it means the immune system has effectively fought off the illness and recovered. Salk believed that by harnessing and enhancing these natural mechanisms, these own processes, we can develop better treatments and vaccines. So the most fitting word here is outgrows, because it captures the concept of the body naturally overcoming and moving beyond disease on its own. This idea is central to the overall theme of promoting health by working with, rather than against, our body's innate capabilities. So in this slide, we're looking at how the body naturally works to fight off illness and protect itself. This process is essentially healing or rehabilitating itself, helping us recover and stay healthy. Jonas Salk's approach was to find ways to activate and enhance this natural defense mechanism. Instead of just fighting the illness directly, his idea was to trigger the body's own ability to heal, which is a really powerful concept in medicine. It highlights the importance of understanding and working with the body's natural processes to promote health and recovery. This idea ties back to the overall theme of innovative approaches in health science, where supporting the body's own defenses can lead to more effective and sustainable treatments. So let's look at the options here: benefit, prevent, criticize, disrupt. The research conducted by engineer Nils Bohlin suggested that a 3-point seatbelt could protect both the upper and lower halves of the torso. This feature made it superior to the 2-point seatbelt. The 2-point seatbelt often failed to prevent internal damage, which is a critical point to consider. So the correct choice here is prevent. It emphasizes that the 3-point seatbelt was designed to prevent internal injuries that the older 2-point design couldn't adequately protect against. This improvement was a significant step forward in vehicle safety, aligning with our overall theme of innovations that save lives. The 3-point seatbelt is described as superior because it offers protection to more parts of the body compared to the 2-point seatbelt. This means it provides better overall safety by distributing the forces more effectively during a crash. The 2-point seatbelt, on the other hand, failed to prevent internal damage, which highlights its limitations. That's why the 3-point version was such an important improvement. It helps prevent more injuries and keeps you safer in the event of an accident. This example really underscores how advancements in safety features can make a significant difference in protecting us. The method Morris Hilleman used to weaken the virus for the mumps vaccine was actually similar to the one used for the measles vaccine. This made it similar to other vaccines of the time, which helped streamline the development process. By applying this approach, Hilleman was able to create effective vaccines more efficiently. His work on mumps and measles vaccines played a crucial role in saving millions of lives worldwide. It's also worth noting that Morris Hilleman developed over 40 vaccines in total, including those for hepatitis B, chickenpox, and many others. His contributions truly transformed public health and vaccination efforts globally. So, what Hilleman did here was quite significant. He used the same method for developing the mumps vaccine as he had previously used for the measles vaccine. This means that the underlying approach or technique was consistent between the two. Because of this, we can say that the mumps vaccine was similar to other vaccines of that time in its methodology. Essentially, Hilleman's work built on a proven strategy, which helped streamline the development process and contributed to the success of the vaccine. This highlights how innovative scientists often refine and adapt existing methods to tackle new diseases, connecting to the broader theme of building on previous knowledge to advance public health.